NetRoofer, best of everything digital for roofing and home improvement contractors. Oh boy, you're looking at the phone screen of a new app for creating roofing proposals on the fly. That's right, you can create the most dynamite roofing proposals you've ever seen on the fly with this app, even with your own contract. Everybody in your company can have their own personal vanity contracts now. Click the thumbnail at the top and it can display a video from the company owner or from the salesperson. This is selling personal. Customers love it. This is page 3 of the proposal. It contains the language for HB2102, prohibition against waiving of deductibles, and HB2103 against public adjusting. You can enter unlimited photos into the app output. You can draw on the pictures, you can type on them. It's an incredible tool to demonstrate problem areas, etc. Show hail damage, wind damage, siding, nail pops, anything you want to show the homeowner. It's fantastic. You know, this is almost too good to be true. You could actually add unlimited 30-second videos of your customer's property. Now the salesperson's doing a walk around, they've got problem areas, you want to know about it, and what's great is it just uploads it to your server and it's there should you ever need it. Anybody knows how valuable this can be if the property owner ever believes that your crew accidentally caused damages. It's worth its weight in gold. It can't be undervalued. I know you already forgot who your salesperson was, so I had to show him one last time. Yep, that's him right up there in the corner. Just like all your customers, they've got 10 proposals. They can't remember one contractor from the next. Do yourself a favor. Let's get busy and start winning now. My name is Robert Steffen. I've been helping insurance restoration and roofing, siding, and window contractors with their software needs for over 20 years now. Thank you for watching. Please contact me. Let me know how I can help. Thank you.